Hello everyone, welcome to the Deals of the Day 365. In this video, I will tell you about best WordPress caching and speed optimization plugin. As your website grows older, the website's content and installation make your site to load slower. If your website also takes too long to load, then you should install the WordPress caching plugin. So, keep watching our video till the end for finding best caching plugins. First one is PerfMeta. By default, WordPress enables so many options that are not necessary, which causes the website to slow down. With PerfMeta plugin, you can disable those settings with just a few clicks. The biggest thing that makes website to slow down is HTTP requests, which are not needed. This plugin allows you to disable these scripts on every page manually. Second is W3 Total Cache. W3 Total Cache is one of the best performance optimization framework and has been trusted by million WordPress users. It updates its version frequently and is used by major publications like Web Designer, Report, and Mashable. Next is WP Rocket. If you are a beginner and you don't have idea about cache plugins, then you should definitely go for it. You can use it easily even if you don't know the technical terms used in caching plugin options. Next is Cache Enabler. Cache Enabler is a free open source plugin. Its caching engine is fast and reliable, and it supports the WordPress multi-site, which can be an advantage for those having network of websites. Next is WP Supercache. WP Supercache is another free and popular plugin for caching and speed optimization. It has all recommended features that are needed for the speed optimization of a website. Next is WP Fastest Cache. The free version of this plugin includes minification of HTML desktop caching and combination options for JavaScript and CSS. With this tool, you can minify and combine CSS and JavaScript. Now, here I will end this video. But if you want to know about these plugins in detail, then click on the link we have provided in the description box. And if you like this video, then like it and share it. And please subscribe our channel for more videos like this.